Hey there, how are you doing? This is Kali from TechFanciers. So after a long time I'm making this video with the front cam. So yeah, in this video I will show you how I have did the soundproofing by myself. So this is not a tough thing to do, but first when I started doing it, I just bought this thing and I just bought good foam, but to stick it I just bought this double-sided tape from the local fancy store, 10 rupees each. Two I have bought, I have cut everything and I have placed it here and I sticked it, and I have posted a picture on our community, also in our Telegram group. But things started to change after a few hours. When I was working, first the top one started falling down, and then the next one, and finally the entire thing broke and the wall was looking very terrible. So I was searching in the internet and I found a solution how I can stick this one. So stick with this video to see how I have done it. So before talking about the soundproofing, we'll see why we need soundproofing. When the surfaces have a solid interrupts, it will give the reverse audio to your microphone. So it will give some sort of echoing effect, or the audio will look like a metal sound or something. So for that, professionals or having music producers will always have a studio with this soundproofing foam like this. So these foams, what it will do, it does nothing, it just absorbs the extra sound, so there won't be any reverb or emitting from the wall or something. If you are a typical YouTuber or you just started your channel and your audio is somewhat terrible, first I would suggest you to buy a good mic. I use a lavalier mic which somewhat works fine. That's what I've been using for last 3-4 years. I didn't have any issue. But sometimes when the room is too small and have all four sides wall and doesn't have any sound absorbing thing like a bed, pillow or sofa or things in the home or in the room, the audio will be terrible and you will listen some sort of echoing effect. So to avoid that, people use this foaming. So this foam is 2-inch height and 12-inch width and 12-inch length, 1 square feet per piece. So the one piece cost like 120 rupees. So I bought 3 black color for 320 and the another 3 black color and the 3 red color for somewhat around 680 rupees from Amazon. So once I bought it, before you plan anything, this one, please measure the walls left to right, how the square feet you have in your wall. So that is really important. Also, when you before going to stick anything, first find the center part of the wall so that you can start from that position. Also, before sticking anything, you just create one canvas sheet or something, and then you just have one normal plan that will show from where you need to stick which color. So as you guys already know, my logo is somewhat a triangle shape and then 2 red color stripes which indicates F and T. So here I thought of putting left side 3 black blocks which is 3 feet, and then the right side in the bottom it's in the 45 degree, and then in the right side I thought of putting a 3 red color one which is one little bit top, and then in the bottom that only 1 black color. So which somewhat make this finishing which somewhat represents my channel's logo. And I actually, as I said earlier, 6 plus 3 9 square feet I have ordered, so extra 2 was there, I just sticked in the bottom. So that's how it has to be done. So sticking part, I just was searching in Google and I somehow found this product which is called Acoustic foam spray adhesive. So what is this will do, it is just a spray like a super glue thing. So after it all went peeled down, I just took this one and I just sprayed on the wall, and then I just started sticking it. Try to avoid spraying it in the foam, because foam has the observing thing, so I would suggest you to better spray it in the wall. As I already have sticked the double-sided tape, it was like a guideline for me, so I just how would I say, I just sprayed on top of that double-sided tape, and then I sticked it very well. It just sitted fine. So here I would suggest, I have to tell that here you have some sort of square thing which currently in 90 degree vertical horizontal. So if you rotate it like this, it will be 90 degree vertical, so it will spray in this direction. So if you want to spray it like in this direction to the corner, you can set it like this. If you want to spray it in the bottom in the horizontal way, you can just rotate it the bit, and then you can spray it. The spraying thing is somewhat fine. You just shake it very well, and then you can start spraying the thing, and it somewhat just went well. So that's how it has been done. So this one costs like 520 rupees something. So it is 450 ml. If you get less ml, like 150 is fine, I believe. So I just bought somewhat extra. I don't know why I bought. So 450 ml, 500 rupees something, and the foam total cost of 680 plus 320, it's nearly 1000 rupees. So 1000 plus 500, so 1500. So somewhat in 1500 rupees I have to make a soundproofing thing. But at the same time, if you want to fill entire entire wall, it will cost of course higher. So for me it is somewhat good. It just represents the channel. Also it is good background for me to shoot the video in upcoming days with my face. I'm just sweating, I don't know, it's sunny here. So yeah, that's what about this video. So you no need to like if you like it, or if you don't like, you no need to dislike. You just like, that's what I would say, and leave a comment how you are feeling about this video. So yeah, if you are a new subscriber, you may not have seen me in the video showing my face. So yeah, that's what about this video. Thank you for watching. Koat Mato.